is the Lewis dot structure for carbon dioxide, so I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm just going to put it up. There's 2 oxygens and a carbon in the middle. And then I think it was, okay, chlorine trifluoride. The one where there's only one goes where? In the middle or on the outside? In the middle. Because it didn't say tetrachlorine or dichlorine or anything like that. Chlorine has 7 valence electrons and so does fluorine. Well, there's 3 fluorines, 1 chlorine, and according to my calculations, 7 times 4 is 36.
No, that's 28.
28, okay? So we're gonna put fluorines on the side, just enough, and we're gonna do our Lewis dot structure, and I'm gonna quickly do it, okay? And I need to get to 28. I think this is it. I don't think this one's a double bond. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24, 26, oh, 28. So we're going to write this down. This is where the electrons are muy importante. Remember, they're negative. So they're going to push away other negatives. And I'm only doing 3 examples, okay? Because I know if I do more than 3, everybody will fall asleep. Well, you guys are copying that one. Xenon, Xe, there's 4 fluorines. We know that they have 7 valence electrons. You told me earlier that 4 times 7 is 28. But guess what? Xenon has 8. And 8 plus 28 is what?
36.
36. So we want to make sure there's 36 around. Is 36? Yeah. What's up here, dude? What is friggin' up? 2, 4, 6, 8. 10, 12, 14. 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26,